Hello everyone, we welcome you all. Today we are going to show you different type of the hairstyles that you can create at your own places. You can save you a lot of money by not visiting the expensive salons. You can save you a lot of time also. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy. You can just try to make them at your own places. You don't need to invest your lot of money. All you just need are some of the basic hair accessories that everyone has at home, like the comb, some of the bun pins, some of the casual rubber bands. If you just want to convert your casual type of the hair look into the fancy type of the hairdo, then you will require some of the fancy type of the hairpins so that you can just convert it into a blinky type of the fancy type of the hairdo. Moreover, you may require a triple trio type of the clippy pin that's easily available in the markets, and you can just create some of the beautiful hairstyles in just few seconds. It's very time saving one. If we will talk about the difficulty level of the different type of the hairstyles, then these hairstyles will start from the simple towards the complex hairstyles. Some will be done in just few seconds, some might take some of your time, but it's best in investing the time because the results are going to be so awesome and you are going to fall in love with such type of the hairstyles. Thank you for watching.